Hey everybody, I thought this would be a fun one. I'm going to do a chain adjustment against the clock. Not to prove I'm really quick at doing it or something like that, it's just to show that it doesn't take long and it's not difficult and you can do it yourself. When we actually get to the bit where I'm doing the chain adjustment, I'm going to have a timer on. I'm not going to make any edits, so I'm going to have to apologise now. There's probably going to be a load of cars because when I film here I normally have to stop every 2 minutes to let a car go past, otherwise it's just going to be road noise. As you can see, my chain is a little bit loose. Yeah, maybe a little bit more than a little bit, so I need to adjust it. The three tools I'm going to need is this breaker bar with a 22mm socket on it to undo the main axle nut on the other side. I have a 13mm spanner to undo the lock nuts, and some verniers to measure. Now, as I say, I'm not going to try and do this at stupid speeds. I'm just going to do it at the normal sort of pace when I want to get it done. So, I guess we start. Does it start? It started. Right, so we're going to undo the main axle nut. Okay, that's now loose. It's important to do this with the bike on the side stand. And, well, my locking nuts are stuck together, so they're getting done together. Okay. Now I'm just matching up on the other side. For some reason these locking nuts are moving together. They're two of the same size as well, which makes no real sense. Okay, double check. Lined up. Lined up. Give it a boot forward. No, my socket! And then with your torque wrench, you go click. 1 minute 26. Just sitting on the bike to double check, and yeah, that looks about right to me. Okay, so these are the locking nuts. Normally these would be like a 13 and a 12, so you can use two different spanners. You undo the outer one, you tighten up and adjust with the inner one, then when you've got the adjustment correct, you just bring the second one up to it to jam it in place. But for some reason, these move together. Normally that doesn't happen with nuts, as far as I've known, because whenever I've made things and I've tried to screw nuts down together, there'll be some timing differences, like in them, as it were, with the threads. But they move together and they stay in place. So yeah, maybe an extra 30 seconds should be added for normally undoing and doing those up. But to be fair, they're doing it. Obviously the way you adjust chains on different bikes is different, but generally they're all about the same. It's all pretty easy stuff. I'd say never trust the marks on the swing arm with these. They're just not close enough. Measure what you've got thread-wise out the back, or something that's referenceable one side to the other with a set of verniers. You're going to be so much closer that way than trying to use those things. If you're new to this channel, please consider hitting the subscribe button and check out my playlists. I have loads of mechanical videos, full bike restoration, rebuild type stuff, how to get a bike, licensing stuff, how to ride a bike, everything you can think of, and some funny stuff besides. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button. If you want to help support this channel, please consider doing that through Patreon. Links in the description, loads of benefits to that. Catch you in the next one, bye bye.